A lot of people start their weight loss journey, but along the way, many of them quit. It would be very shocking to know that if 100 people get into weight loss program, just 20 people continue further. So what happens along the way? Why people quit their weight loss journey? So I will be talking about top 3 reasons. If you know why it happens and how to fix them, then there is no way that you will not lose weight. You will lose weight smoothly and you will become an inspiration for other people who are also on the journey of weight loss. So let's get started. What is the first thing that you have to see when you're thinking of weight loss? What is the reason that you want to lose weight? Now many people, when I talk, their reason is they are getting married, so they want to lose weight. Their cousin's marriage is there. They have some function, that's why they want to lose weight. Or there are some people who get influenced by external forces, like they have watched a movie, or they have seen someone on Instagram or Facebook, or they have seen some friend losing weight, getting into physique or becoming better. So they get influenced and they get motivated that they want to work on weight loss. They write down what all they are planning to do for the whole week, make a calendar and follow for a couple of days. After some time, when something hits along the way, they even forget where was the diet plan, or when they had sat and wrote a calendar for their fitness regime. Because when you are motivated because of external forces, it will go like this. At any problem comes, you will forget what you had started weight loss for. So you have to know your reason. Why do you want to start your weight loss journey? As per my understanding and helping hundreds of people, what I feel the only reason for weight loss should be you want to be healthy. There should be no other reason apart from weight loss. Because if you are not healthy, it will lead to a lot of concerns like diabetes, cholesterol, people having arthritis, they have whole body joint pain because of excessive weight, and lot of other concerns comes like digestive health issues, migraine. So if I don't lose weight, my health would not be up to a mark, and that should be the one reason. So if you have a reason to be healthy and that's why you want to lose weight, you would develop certain habits over a period of time. You would not be in urgency today I want to lose weight, because you have a right reason. So find out the reason why do you want to lose weight. Don't start without getting into these details and solve this problem. So this is the first one. And second, it's consistency. Many times people get started, you would see they follow for some period of time and then they will drop. Even though they have a good intention, good reason, they will start again, they will drop. Few days they will follow, 3-4 days, one day they will be out of track, again they will start. So when someone is in this kind of routine, you would be sure to know that they don't have problem with diet, they don't have problem with dietitian or any coach or anyone. The problem is with inconsistency. Because if they don't continue anything, matter of fact, anything in life, if you don't continue, what is the guarantee that you will succeed? How is weight loss different than that? So if I follow 3 days, one day I go out of track thinking that tomorrow I will compensate, that is the lousiest way to work on your fitness. Because you have to do something consistently. Maybe once in a week you can take out your time and have fun, whatever you want to do, but it cannot be multiple times in a week. So one thing there is no replacement for is consistency. Money, coach, diet, nothing can replace this. You have to be consistent. If you are not consistent, forget about weight loss. And third, have a right expectation. When you have right intention, you know your reason, set your expectation right. Anyone tells you that I will help you lose 10 kgs, or you start something having expectation of losing 10 kgs in a month, you would mostly fail, because even though your intentions are right, your reason is right, your expectations are wrong. So you have to expect right. Anything cannot give you marvelous result in weight loss, because whatever weight we have gained, it was a gradual increment. Overnight we don't want to reduce weight and it becomes like a magic. That is not going to happen, because your body also, how it's shaped up in terms of overweight, in the similar way it will drop the weight as well when you do right things. So 3 to 4 kgs of weight loss in a month is perfectly fine. If you have that kind of goal in mind, you would rock your weight loss journey. So set your expectation right, so that when you don't get the right result, you don't get upset and quit. So if you work on all these 3 things, diet, coach, everything becomes secondary, because weight loss is a mind game rather anything external influence or outside game. So you have to work on all these 3 aspects, and if you do it right, not only you will lose weight, but it will become a part of your routine which you can continue for the rest of your life. So I am Harishankar, husband of a beautiful and caring woman, father of a wonderful boy, and IT professional turned entrepreneur, weight loss coach. If you are watching me for the first time, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get content whenever I upload. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay blessed.